For an aluminum railing with a little more flair, the Westbury Riviera system offers 6 different mid-rail designs to spruce up your space, as well as the opportunity to completely customize your railing to your tastes. Designing a stunning railing for your home is as easy as these 3 steps. Westbury Riviera offers posts in 2x2, 3x3, and 4x4 inch dimensions, allowing you to choose either a compact or substantial look for your deck. DecksDirect makes ordering a complete post simple with Westbury 3-piece kits that bundle a post with a matching post cap and post skirt. If you're installing on staircases, use a taller post to allow for the stair panel to rack to the correct angle. These posts will be fastened to the surface and substructure of your deck with 4 screws through the welded base plate. Westbury Riviera level rail kits are offered in 5, 6, 7, and 8-foot lengths, while the stair rail kits come in 6 and 8-foot lengths. In these kits, you'll receive an entire railing section with balusters, including color-matching mounting brackets and hardware. Rails may be trimmed or divided as necessary, but simply remember to order an additional set of mounting brackets as needed. Westbury offers 4 different bracket types to allow for any deck design. For assistance in choosing the right brackets for your project, DecksDirect is always here to help. From a classic flat top post cap, an ornamental LED lighted post cap, or even a crossover bracket for a continuous top rail, there's an abundance of possibility with Westbury. Dress up your deck even more with a drink rail, secondary handrails, or gates. The entire Westbury Riviera railing system is ready for you right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Mike and I'm part of the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions or comments, call us at 888-824-5316 or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.